So thanks so much for this question. Let me tell you, here are some of the amazing benefits of celery. It's full of water, so it's great for hydration. And I mean, many of us struggle with staying hydrated. Hydration is great for the skin, the hair, just the whole body, the brain. We're made up mostly of water. So it's great for our hydration. That's number one. And when you stay hydrated, that helps everything stay moving. So it can also help with constipation. So help you keep regular, help your digestion. That's another benefit. You've heard me talk about insoluble fiber before. Celery is like great as insoluble fiber, helps kind of move things through. And the other part and benefit is flushing out toxins in the body. That all is a benefit and byproduct of drinking celery juice. And it's a great antioxidant and also anti-inflammatory. So if you're looking for something to boost the phytonutrients, the nutrients, the vitamins, the minerals in your body, celery is a go-to. And it's great again for reducing inflammation. So that's just a few things. So got to give it a try. Let me know what you think of it when you do.